A non-governmental organization, When in Need Foundation, has lamented the pitiful state of Nigeria's vulnerable children. The group called for a better welfare for Nigeria children during the welfare and medical outreach in Abuja.
Nigeria's children are facing unprecedented challenges, with millions struggling to access basic necessities like education and health care. According to UNICEF statistics, alarming malnutrition rates reveals over 2 million children suffer from severe acute malnutrition, with 1 in 3 child deaths linked to malnutrition. This is why the founder of When in Need Foundation organized a welfare and medical outreach to infants and children in Abuja in a bid to bring succor to the needy as a way to remember and honor a late mother, the grand patron of the foundation.
Many families cannot even afford just 1 square meal a day, not to talk about 2. So that's why I have to do this. I have to look at the infants. I know about the infants born, but the parents can't afford to buy baby formulas. And I've seen children that are 3 years old and they look like they're only 8 months old. So the formulas and the baby food that we have here today, I hope and I pray that will do the work, will do the magic. Even if it's only for 1 week, even if it's only for 1 month, it is something. So it is my passion to see the children, to see those in need, the disadvantaged, to put a smile on their face and see them at least smile. There's nothing like seeing a child who has not eaten today, but knows that she or he will live here today with some food to eat.
Emir of Gariki, His Royal Highness Usman Ngakupi, who is the chief host of the outreach, appreciated the kind gesture.
She's a mother indeed. That there are so many Nigerians that are actually who have the means, who are bourgeoisies, but they are not ready to assist the less people. So I'm requesting other people who have the means, please, hiding millions or billions for only the family is not the best.
I urge Nigerians who are millionaires, who are billionaires, not to always concentrate in their family, but always extend the hands of love and fellowship to those that are in need. And what she has done today is exactly what she has been known for.
She's been supportive of the Ham Nation. She has given a lot of aid, scholarships, women empowerment. We want to say thank you. And we use her as an example, a virtuous woman, a wonderful daughter, who has come to honor her mother. What she is doing today is only replicating that she has gotten all the values from her mother. And so when you see a child doing great things, you know where it has come from. When the child has good upbringing, it will show. And so we join today our His Royal Highness, the Garki people who are celebrating and enjoying this privilege today. We want to say thank you.
The beneficiaries of the outreach says it couldn't have come at a better time.
We are grateful and we are happy to be here. Thank God for her giving us this medicine. We are grateful to her. May Almighty Allah console her. May her mommy so rest in perfect peace.
I will pray that the people that organize it, let the Almighty Lord that gave them this power to make them come with more of this.
The medical and welfare outreach provided medical checkup for 2,000 children, ages 0 to 12 years, nursing mothers, provision of food items, infant formula, and medications. Aichida Majekodone, AIT News, Abuja.